friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. If this is your first time visiting, welcome to Siempre Infinitos DIY. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I really hope you consider subscribing. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made two elegant Christmas cakes. Now the styrofoam, I got it from Joann's, and it's 2 inches smaller than the one that you find at the Dollar Tree. Also, I'm going to be leaving all of the items that I'm going to be using in this video in the description box down below. Now this video is going to be short and it is because at the end of the video I have some exciting news that I want to share with you. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. Well, make sure to watch the entire video, and then also you will see what exciting news I have for you. Okay, so again, I just wanted to keep it elegant, you know, and this cake, I did not want it to add too much color to it, so I just chose to stick with white and just add one color to each of the cake. Now, the second cake, I do apologize. I was not recording it. I do not know why, but I do apologize again for it. But you will see it at the end of the video. So, with all of that being said, I hope you enjoy this video. Okay guys, so what is your favorite Christmas song? Mine is Last Christmas by George Michael. Go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. Share with me. Share with all of us. Okay, my Infinitos, I hope you enjoyed that quick tutorial. So now for the exciting news. On the 17th of this month at 6 p.m. Eastern Time, I am going to be going live, and I am going to be doing a Christmas giveaway. So if you would like to enter the Christmas giveaway, you have to be a subscriber to this channel. Second, I need you to go in the comments down below, and I need you to add 3 things. First, I need you to add that you would like to be entered in the giveaway. Second, I need you to tell me what is your favorite Christmas song. And third, I need you to write down what is my favorite Christmas song. Now, if you watch this entire video, you already know the answer to that. So, good luck. I'll see you on the 17th of this month at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. And until the next video, my friends, stay safe, be kind, bye.